I sincerely hope this presentation includes both the benefits and the risk. In recent conversations with environment officials, I've heard it suggested that failures in Class 1 wells are a thing of the past, and improvements have solved the problem. However, public records tells a different story. Failures are still occurring recently, and they're impacting communities across Florida. From the Keys to Manatee County to Delray Beach, the list goes on and on. The time, money, and resources being invested in these wells could and should be directed towards safer, more sustainable solutions for both current residents and future generations. Water is our most precious resource. It should never be put at risk. There's extensive engineering data both supporting and opposing deep injection wells. But one point both sides agree on is this: once waste is injected into the ground, it cannot be removed.
That's right.
We cannot fully predict where it will go, how fast it will travel, or whether it will eventually reach our aquifer until damage is already done.
That's right.
We've already seen the warning signs. Disasters in places like Miami-Dade, Piney Point, Tampa Bay should serve as clear lessons. I'm also aware that different types of injection wells are being rapidly installed across Florida. That does not mean it's the right thing to do. This brings me to the issue of trust and accountability, especially regarding conditions near the Hard Florida landfill. A Class 5 well has already been drilled with future plans for a Class 1 permit to inject leachate. Public records from the site show violations, incomplete and missing record keeping. A current FDEP settlement agreement clearly shows violations. The landfill has exceeded the boundaries with a municipal waste odor. This has been going on over a year, and to date, there are still complaints with no relief from residents from city or county officials. Residents have been prisoners in their own homes, unable to go outside and enjoy something as basic as fresh air. Benzene has exceeded in the water testing going on over 3 years.
That's right.
So I ask, if something goes wrong with an injection well, how long will residents have to wait for help if our water is contaminated? Lake Pennsauken and its nearby springs are directly connected to the same aquifer that provides our drinking water. What impacts one part of this system can affect the entire region, not just Sumter County. Florida's geology data clearly states not suitable for these type wells. Experts have warned us of this uncertainty for years, and that uncertainty is exactly the problem. Because once waste is injected underground, control is lost.
That's right.
At its core, this is not a true solution, it's a shortcut. We are burying a problem instead of solving it and passing the risk on to future generations. Our aquifer, springs, and our drinking water are far too important to gamble with. Florida must stand firm and demand better, safer solutions for waste disposal. Solutions that protect rather than threaten our natural resources. Because clean water, clean air, and healthy soil are not luxuries. They are fundamental rights. Stop these injection wells in Florida.